Hi and Assalamualaikum. So today we are going to present about two title, which is the analysis of acrylamide in food products using Hplc, and the second analysis of ascorbic acid in drinks using spectrometer. So in this group, we only have two members, which is me, Lyana Syafiqa binti Muhammad Rosdi, and my friends Muhammad Haris bin Muhammad Zudi. So here we go with the introduction of acrylamide. Acrylamide is a potential health hazardous compound occurring in baked and fried food as a result of excessive dry heating during the preparation or processing of food. Exposure to a high level of acrylamide may cause cancer, nephrotoxicity, and mutagenicity. Acrylamide is a vinyl monomer widely used in industrial application and drink water purification. It has long been known as a nephrotoxic agent. Moreover, orally ingested acrylamide is able to reach most human tissue because it is rapidly absorbed. It is also a natural byproduct of carbohydrate-rich food at high temperature above 100 to 20 degrees Celsius, and it is formed by a reaction between amino acid, asparagine, and reducing sugars such as potatoes when exposed to high temperature during processes of frying, roasting, or baking. Acrylamide is considered as one of the most toxins in food, containing high concentration of hydrocarbon that have been subject to high temperature. It may be found in products such as potato chips, fried potatoes, cornflakes, or bread.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I'm Muhammad Haris bin Muhammad Zuhdi. So I will continue the presentation with the introduction of ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid, known as vitamin C, and the main constituents of fruit juice, and it is an essential antioxidant. Presence of this organic acid plays an important role in human health. Fruit juice is unfermented but fermentable liquid or juice intended for direct consumption. Obtained fruit juice as well is a natural fruit. Some manufacturers produce fruit juice from raw materials other than the fruit, or use as concentrates in quantities below the legal requirement. Preservatives such as sodium benzoate, sulfur dioxide, sorbic acid, and ascorbic acid may be used to extend fruit juice shelf life. This preservative works effectively at pH usually below 4.3. Therefore, amount of acid added has to mean to proper pH value. The commonly used acid is citric acid, which should not exceed range 0.39 to 1.1% in fruit juice. So, for the next part is methodology for the acrylamide in food product using Hplc. So, it has two methods, which is validation method and sample extraction. Validation method, literality of the Hplc response and linear correlation were obtained between peak errors. And for the sample extraction, it appeared to be a critical parameter. Simplified extraction method avoiding cleanup by solid phase extraction SPE, then analyzed by Hplc UV.
Moving to the methodology of ascorbic acid in drinks using spectrometer. There is four methods used. The first one is sample collection. The sample is randomly purchased from supermarket, and the experiment carried within 24 hours and a week after. Second method is two reagent and equipment used for determination of vitamin C content in fruit juice. The reagents were chemically pure, and they used Spectrometer 40 Analytic Jena AG Germany. There is evaluation of total acid ascorbic content in fruit juice by spectrometric method. They use potassium permanganate as chromogenic reagent. The last method is preparation of standard solution and calibration curve of ascorbic acid. The standard solution of ascorbic acid were prepared within the sample range 1 to 100 mgl. Ascorbic acid, which is 0.01 gram, was dissolved in small amount of 0.5% of oxalic acid solution and completed with distilled water to obtain a concentration of 100 mgl. For the analysis of HPLC, the highest level of acrylamide was found in one brand of chips with a concentration of 16.33 microgram ml, whereas only one of the French fries product analyzed exhibit an acrylamide concentration of 10.26 microgram milliliter. Validation result reveals that this method is suitable for routine analysis of acrylamide residue in food products at low level because detection and quantitation limits in the low concentration and excellent retabulation. This is the analyte concentration. As we all can see, this is the retention time and analysis graph. The result indicate that acrylamide was detected in all samples, but its concentration varied significantly from 2.85 to 16.33 ppm. The statistical analysis indicate that the concentration of acrylamide in selected sample was positive and significant.
So we continue for the analysis of spectrometer. It has highest difference on vitamin C content were observed on samples L9 and L16. The color and reducing sugar and vitamin C content of fruit juice sample was found in the range of 5.28 mg per 100 ml to 39.63 mg per 100 ml and 15.67 mg per 100 ml to 49.33 mg per 100 ml. Confidence interval 2.53 to 2.35 for volumetric and spectrophotometric methods respectively. Commercial fruits juices sample were higher than those indicated on labels by producer. So for this slide, we can see the analysis of spectrometer in graph, which is graph sample and pH value. Sample of fruit juices and the pH value of the sample.
So for the conclusion of HPLC, a quantity HPLC method has been developed which is rapid, sensitive and reproducible. HPLC UV is a method for analysis of acrylamide in potato chips and french fries from the Libyan market using a simple sample preparation procedure. The present HPLC method was successfully applied for the determination of acrylamide content of 6 potato chips and french fry products. Moreover, sample preparation conspiring simplified extraction provide an effective and simple method to extract acrylamide and remove most oily substance in sample before HPLC analysis. The validation result revealed that this method is suitable for routine analysis acrylamide residue in food product at low level because detection and quantitation limit is low concentration and excellent repeatability. So, more measures should be made to lower and control the level of acrylamide in food items, especially in those consumed by susceptible groups such as children, young adults, and pregnant women.
So, for the last part is about conclusion. Conclusion about analysis of ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid content in fruit juices plays an important role to human health and it is considered as an indicator parameter of quality. Hence, a carefully quantification of the level of vitamin C in fruit juices is of a great importance. The time and storage temperature significantly affects on the amount of ascorbic acid losses after opening the package of commercial fruit juices. So from the experiment, we acknowledge that nearly 50% of total amount of vitamin C in open commercial fruit juices stored for 7 days at room temperature losses. Last but not least, this is our reference that we collect our data for the case study. Thank you.
So, I think that is all from me and Haris. Thank you for lending your ears and eyes and also your time to hear our presentation. Wish us best of luck for our last semester. See you again next time. Bye.